Hey guys, can you hear this nice sound? Maybe you can hear it or maybe not, but today I am in another port, another city in Norway, and the name is Haugesund. And I am here with a really amazing waterfall. I just want to show you first. So this is the waterfall. We will make the pictures today and I will try to get some pictures, but first I'm really excited to click the picture of this. So let's see if I can make this picture. So I will start with already my first picture and I want to click this waterfall. So guys, we are in the first place for this nice waterfall, this angle, because the waterfall is very big for my lens. I have 24-70 and it's not covering up, so I will try with this angle. I think I like this picture and I want to make one more from another angle and then we can go to the other place. So guys, I made one picture from that angle and now I want to make one from this angle what I showed you in the starting. So let's see if I can get. And this is the time like I use this function of my camera because the low angle. So let's see. The picture what I was expecting, so yeah, let's see how many pictures I can make in this excursion. I'm like in heaven right now. This is our place, this is where we are right now in Haugesund. It looks amazing, look. I think the panorama will be nice here because of the panoramic view. Definitely. Yes, definitely. So I will try the panoramic view. So, like it. So whenever you want to make the panoramic with the camera, because we don't have this option with the mobile, so you click with the two hands and then you have like one picture and then the next picture have to be 30% picture also inside, then the software can understand and then you can make the picture and then you close with the hand. So guys, like other side of that location where we click the panorama, this is the location here and I want to make a picture. Oh man, this houses looks nice with the water because water is very calm. Maybe I will try one with the mobile very fast because why not? I think we got one more picture from this place because it was wow, it's amazing. Actually with the picture, with the camera it's nice, but with naked eye it's really nice. I loved it, I love the view. Yeah. Look at the houses, this is really nice and I didn't have time so I make the picture first. This is I hope we get some pictures, but my camera is also not working. No, it's working, but the focus. think I would like to have this picture, you know. So, and the photos coming up. Oh, because of this. Somehow the settings was changed. No, but I have a nice picture here. So we are close to the waterfall. Waterfall is just near. Yeah, the sky is not blue, so it gives me white background, like whitish sky. So yeah, but like it looks good. I will try to make one more frame here with this view. Crazy, it's very close. The waterfall is very close. Look. This is Haugesund for you guys. It's very crazy here. I will try it. Yeah. So I know guys, this is like our vlog is about photography, but I have two lovely ladies here who will tell us something about Haugesund. So,
hi. So yeah, what to say about Haugesund? Haugesund is a very small city, but it's quite nice. There's some old buildings, and yeah, the port is very nice. You can just walk there and have a nice evening. And there are also many bars, so a lot of Norwegians come to Haugesund to make party. Yeah, and if you drive a little, you also have very beautiful nature, so it's quite nice.
Also home to Norway's longest shopping street. Lots of good places to shop and buy Norwegian pastries. And if you come in the summertime, they have a table full of herring, because Haugesund is the herring capital of Norway.
oh, thank you so much. Okay, thank you. So guys, this was my small tour in Haugesund, and yeah, we are going now. We will go to eat and then we will go back to the ship. But I enjoyed it a lot. It was really beautiful. It's actually right now it's also very beautiful. So I will just tell you that enjoy the life, and yeah, we will see us in the next video very soon.